at that sandcastle he just built. Check it out, will you? Rachel, look at the sandcastle he just built. Hey, son. How long did it take you to make that?
About 2 seconds.
2 seconds?
Yeah.
Really? How long did it take you to make that?
2 seconds.
Gee, that's pretty good.
No.
Why did it only take 2 seconds, Vincent?
Because I didn't make it.
Oh, you didn't? Well, let's look. It's got so much detail to it. Oh, look. There's a little bridge right there.
Hey,
Bridge going across. Don't knock it all down.
Popeye's in here. Amber stepped on it.
Amber.
Oh, Popeye.
Bye.
Bye, Dad.
And it's demolished.
Oh, what happened to your sandcastle?
A tornado came through.
Hey, Vince. Go back in the water and show me who your girlfriend is.
Jamie! Her. I'm in the water.
Go walk to her. Kiss her on the cheek.
No.
Jamie? Jamie, come here. Come here.
Why?
Come here.
He won't kiss you. Kill me!
All the way up here.
Come here. Come here, I want to tell you a secret.
No. Look
Come here. Hey.
What?
Come here.
What? What?
Vincent, come here. Vincent wants to kiss you in the water.
Ah, you're gross! It's lying.
No! I'm not lying. Go ask him.
What'd you say, Dad?
Go ask him.
Tell me, Daddy. Tell me. Liar.
No!
Yes, you
I don't lie. I'm a father.
Doesn't he lie, Mom? Yeah?
What? About what?
About me wanting to look. Who on you?
Well, you probably do want.
Son, I'm just trying to help you out. Be that way.
That's the whole thing. I'm gonna build it back. She can't do that.
Hey, boy. Shake your booty.
Hey, Jamie, you better dance.
No.
Meredith, get out for a minute. If I can sing it, let's go get the
Jamie, I wasn't lying.
What?
I wasn't lying.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were. You're out of water.
Jamie.
What? I know.
Oh, you know that?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Get me sick in the... A wee-wee in the water.
we having fun?
No. No, Vincent.
Be careful, go get it.
Oh, you hungry?
Yeah. Vincent, come here.
Oh, ooh, who we got here? I'd rather look at her. We get a close up here.
You gonna live, Rachel?
Look at her eye. A bug bit it. I did not hit her, I swear.
Well, it's funny. I wasn't this swollen last night when I went to bed, and I woke up with it closed.
I'll teach you, won't it? I'll teach you to go to sleep on me.
Over you guys.
Yeah, was it good?
It was good for me. You'll never know.
No, I slept through it.
Wait a minute, that's not saying much for me, is it? Okay, we're having fun now. That's it. Come here.
How much is the beer here?
I don't know. Might have to find out tomorrow.
Yep.
Vincent,
With the circle that was on the mountain too.
I told Jamie that you like her.
So?
She said,
I know. I know.
come here. She told me that she wants you to kiss her underwater. Oh, there she is.
Yeah, right. You're out here.
No, Jamie didn't say that, but I knew her thoughts.
Bet you don't know mine.
Huh?
Bet you don't know mine.
What?
Tell her, Vincent. Kiss her. Underwater. Ron, tell him, go out there and ask Jamie to kiss you underwater.
Oh yeah. Oh, if he says, no, say, I'm just kidding. Right here and say, and she said, okay,
Just go ahead and kiss her. I say, Jamie, go, oh, gross.
Hey, we having fun?
She probably died underwater. Oh, gross.
Jamie, you're not embarrassed or anything, are you? You're not embarrassed or anything, are you? So tell me, do you like my son?
Yeah.
So what's your intentions? Are you going to study or anything yet?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
You guys stand next to her. That's all right. Put your arm around her. No, I want to get a good picture.
Would you like to see how tall I
I want to get a good picture here.
Jamie, all little girls in 5th, 6th, and 7th, and up to 8th grade are all taller than the boys. Come 9th grade, the boys shoot up, and the girls are no longer looking down saying, "Dear, we're going to the show." They're looking up going, "Honey, what would you like to do today?"
Okay, let me get a good picture of you two. Put your arm around her. Put your arm around her. Son,
I know.
put your arm around her.
5 seconds.
Do it again.
Come on. Cammy, we don't need no help. No, around her, not on her shoulder. You'll soon learn you can't walk with your arm on her shoulder. Okay, Jamie.
You know what I told
Jamie,
you?
drop the towel.
No.
Drop the towel.
Oh, God. Daddy, can I look through the camera, please?
Oh, no, you're looking right through it right now.
Hey, no, I'll tape you. Ow, I'll tape you. Let me take.
Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. I gave Vincent all the training that he needs for this.
Can't touch this.
I thought you could take me.
Hello.